Hello! Today I'm going to be teaching you all about our brand new magical device, DERMAFLASH Cool. This device is going to depuff and sculpt your face using our Sonic Cool technology, and it has this beautiful copper ball to help get the very best results. DERMAFLASH Cool cools in seconds. There's no freezing required. It is the coldest on the market. It's going to help to depuff your face, it's going to help with lymphatic drainage, and it's going to leave you feeling absolutely beautiful. Cool has 2 speeds. You press the power button once for the first speed. That's a little bit more of a gentle sonic massage, and you're going to press it again for the second speed, which is just a little bit more invigorating. It's going to help to aid in your lymphatic drainage, sculpt your face, and again, depuff perfectly. Our copper cooling dome is really special. Copper is scientifically proven to reduce inflammation, it supports collagen function, and it helps with your overall skin health. Cool will help to reduce under eye bags, dark circles, improves fine lines and wrinkles, will make you look more awake. It's incredible. When you're ready to use Cool, you're going to apply serum all over your face. You're going to start by depuffing the eyes, and then you're going to sculpt the cheekbones and the jaw. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you. I've applied my serum, and now I'm going to start by turning it on. And I'm going to start in the corner of my eye, work my way out. This is going to depuff the under eye area. It's cooling, it feels amazing. I'm going to spend about 30 seconds in this area before moving down. Then I'm going to go down to the cheek, and I'm going to use this to sculpt my face. So I'm going to start on the inside, work my way out. This is not only depuffing, but it's giving me a little bit of lymphatic drainage as well. And that cooling sensation is really amazing. Again, 30 seconds in this area before moving down your jaw. You're going to do that same inwards to outwards strokes. You can use it much longer in any area you want. We just recommend 30 seconds or so in each area to get the very best results. This feels so amazing. This is perfect first thing in the morning. It's going to wake you up. It's going to give you fresh, beautiful glow. It's a game changer. And then you're going to repeat on the other side of the face. Thanks for watching. Enjoy Cool.